If you want to flourish in retirement, this book is for you. I'm Marianne Oehser, the author of Your Happiness Portfolio for Retirement, and it's not about the money. This book is a practical guide to overcoming the challenges many of us face as we leave our careers, and to building happy, fulfilling lives after that. Just as you need a financial portfolio to be able to afford to retire, you also need a happiness portfolio in order to flourish in your third act. This book is filled with valuable information and thought-provoking exercises to help you navigate through this huge transition and to enjoy meaningful happiness for all the years to come. It helps you to design your retirement life so you will enjoy it to the max and feel that your life is fulfilling. This book is right for you if you intend to retire soon or if you've retired in the past 5 years or so. It's available now on Amazon and BarnesandNoble.com. And if you buy it before July 24th, I will give you free access to my do-it-yourself online course that is a $97 value. Now let's get started in making this the best